just wanted to pop in here and show you guys the stainless bowls that I just totally love. They have lids, and one of the many features is they will keep your produce crispy and good for weeks. So if you just put your cleaned lettuce in there, you just put in a dry paper towel, seal it up, and it will stay in your fridge. And all 3 bowls come with lids, and I totally love them for mixing up ranch mix or salsa or cookie dough. They all work great. And then the new colanders, stainless colanders, fit in there very nicely. So if you're straining like chicken broth or something, I make turkey broth from scratch. I use that. And so it has all 3 sizes, and this is the big one. I love them. So check them out.